Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add your cards or payment method into your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add the payment method into your Microsoft Authenticator, just simply open this MS Authenticator application into your phone. Then after that, you will have to unlock the application at first. Then after that, you will get the option of payment into this bottom bar in middle, and after going into this section, you will get to see this plus button into the bottom right side. Just simply tap into that plus button and go to this section. Now from here, you just simply have to add card number, name on card, expiry month and expiry year, and the nickname serially. Then after that, entering all these details, just simply tap into this check button at the top right. Then after that, your payment method or card will successfully be added to Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.